Hey YouTube, thank you guys for clicking on this video, and today I'll be telling you guys 3 ways you could make money to get free games. The first way to make money is asking your parents or your family members for change. And I know getting change is a very small amount, but over time that amount is going to get bigger and bigger, and from there you could buy a game that you want. I know collecting change will take a while, but if you think about it, AAA titles don't come out every single year, right? And for a new game to come out, for example Call of Duty, right, it takes 2 to 3 years for a game to come out, right? So within that time frame you could actually save up change and save up for the new game, and then when the new Call of Duty comes out, you technically could get it for free because the money that you saved up. You could also use something called Coinstar, and if you guys don't know what Coinstar is actually they offer you the service of turning your change into cash or e-gift cards. You guys could find Coinstar kiosks in your local grocery store. So yeah, if you have a lot of change with you, go to these Coinstar kiosks and turn your change into cash or e-gift cards. But I'll personally recommend you to turn it into e-gift cards because it doesn't take fees. When you turn your change into gift cards, I'll recommend you to change them into Steam gift cards because Coinstar surprisingly allow you to change your coins into Steam gift cards. So I'll take advantage of that. So the second way to make money is using this app called Surveys, and I'm not paid by them, right? But I used it a long time ago to make some money, right? And I actually did get paid out from this app, so I will show you the screenshot of me using it back in the day, like when I was young. But yeah, so what this app is, you just take surveys here and there and you'll get paid for these. And from my experience, you rarely get paid out the full amount, but for clicking on the survey, I believe, or just answering some questions, even though you don't qualify for the survey, they still give you like 10 cents or a couple cents for at least answering some questions. And once again, this is not a big amount, but think about it. If you could do this right for a year or two, you could make decent amount of money, like not too much but enough so that maybe you could get a discount technically on the game by saving up. And the third way to get money to get games, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna hate me for this, but it's actually getting a job. And I know getting a job is not technically free because you're actually investing your time to get money, right? But I'll say that the best way to get games or get anything you want is just getting a part-time job at, let's say, McDonald's or any other part-time jobs that you could find. And the third way, I'll say there's a lot of benefits to it because you could meet new people, make new friends, and the experiences that you could also get from working part-time job, I'll say that outweighs the cons. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys didn't want to hear me just saying, oh, just get a job and you could get anything you want, right? But from my personal experience, I did work part-time job, and with my paychecks I saved up to get a new gaming computer, and I'll comment down below the specs that I was able to save up and buy. And I'll say that jobs, even though it takes your time away, you're getting paid, right, to get games. And I'll say that if you're like a high school student that has a lot of free time, I'll say just get a job and just work, and from there you could just buy anything you want. Maybe you could even save up to get a new PS5. Alright guys, and those are my top 3 ways to get money to get free games. And I know is technically not, the third way is not technically free, but I'll say it's one of the best ways so that you could get games that you want. Thank you guys for taking your time watching this video, and if you guys know any other way to make money online, please comment them down below so that you could share with people. And thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.